Alright guys, okay. Let me explain something to you guys. Yeah? Chiso, people say chiso, it means sticky hands. Yeah? The concept of sticky hands means many different concepts. I would say a deeper concept of sticky hands. Sticky hands, your legs. Sticky hands, sticky legs. Sticky body. Yeah? Sticky everything. Every style has got sticky. Like boxers, karate, judo, wrestling, they've all got sticky concept. But we do sticky in Wing Chun with sticky techniques. Yes? Not changing hands. So it's just rolling like this. It's sticky with techniques. It has attachment. You see here. Go there. Go there. Now, I don't know what he's going to do, so it's not set up. It's not like a plan, nothing like that. If he's going to tap me, go here. I'll go to hit him again. I don't know what I'm going to do. He might tap me twice or 3 times. I don't know. You see? You see sticky. Now if I hit him here like this way, he will hit me right through here. What's carefully? Sticky. Yeah? What's it? Sticky. 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 So sticky is hard because sticky is technique. Yeah? Well, people think sticky is just sticky rolling hands. So Wing Chun, why do Wing Chun? It's sticky with technique. Okay? So a lot of people do rolling hands. But sticky concept with, like I said, sticky technique. They're sticky on the hand. They're sticky on the forearm. They're sticky on the shoulders. They're sticky on the body. They're sticky on the leg and the thigh. Sticky to everything. Even if it hit me, this is still sticky. Yeah? See? Sticky here. He goes up. See? He hit me here. But watch carefully. He's sticking me here, but you've got this arm. If you put the other arm here, and then the arm, he's been alright. But say he took the other way and then this one. What's here? So he's saying sticky halfway. Yeah, so he's got to check here and here. This is sticky. So when you go with practicing before, doing Luxo, doing sticky, you're warming up. You know, so let's say Henry. Henry position here. We are warming up. Yeah? Then let me play. We have a little play. Then you see different now. I don't know what he's going to do. But he's going to tap me. There you see, sticky. You see? But with control. This is hard to do. Hard concept. So many people do like the Chiso competition, sticky competition. I always say that sticky competition is, you can do really good competition with each other. When we have our hands, painted with chalk. Yeah? So you tap me. You see? Touch. Go touch again. Touch. Go again. Touch. 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 Then we swap away, said, mark, 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 mark. Who won me? By the first day, if he touches me, marks on me, with chalk mark, that means he's got in. If he hasn't touched me, he ain't got in yet. So the sticky is also contact, so you contact the partner. So if Kaz touch me, then that's contact. You go again, yeah, that's contact, but not sticky there. Watch carefully, because he left the leg. So he might be good here, sticky here, but now he's got sticky. Now if I move, he can feel me moving. He can push forward. This is sticky. He can feel my whole body. If I try and turn around, he can feel me. See, break the arm, sticky. Yeah? So sticky concept is a hard technique to do. Sticky everything, not the sticky on their hands. Okay, so when you go do Chiso and do sticky concept, try and do everything sticky, feel everything. Yes? Even the punch is sticky. He hit me, it's a sticky punch. He hit me, it stays stuck to me. And he hit me again, and hit again, hit again. But if you punch the air and don't touch me at all, then it's not sticky, not connected here, so it's not sticky. So if I go on here, this is fast, but not connected. If I go on here, this one here, not here, not here. Now if I go on here, still got hit because this one here. I should have gone here. This is sticky. This is not sticky. I'm hitting him because he doesn't know nothing. Yeah? What do you have there? This is sticky. If you punch me, you see, this is sticky. Yeah? Now, not sticky yet because his arm is still free, my arm and leg is still free. But then you see sticky. So that's why I say you've got to think about so many things when you're sparring in Wing Chun. Yeah? So people, like I said before, people always talk about sticky. So for you guys to recognise, this is how I do sticky. I stick it on what? Everything. Okay? Yeah? And you've got sticky, sticky gorso, and gorso. 3 ways. And you know all 3 ways already. I've got to teach all 3 ways. Some people do sticky, some people do Gorso, and some people do sticky Gorso. If they understand what sticky Gorso is, let them find out their teacher. I'm not here to tell people what sticky Gorso is. My concept of sticky Gorso is how I told you guys. My concept of sticky is how I see sticky. So everybody's got their own concept of sticky. Most important thing, long it works. That's most important. If it doesn't work, so if I say this is sticky, I hit Cash here, and he hits me here. He's not sticky. I just hit him. He's honestly, but he doesn't know nothing at all. I can go here and here. What's carefully? Yeah, I'm still gonna get hit. But he doesn't know nothing at all. Put here. He doesn't move the other arm. Yeah. But when the real fight comes, what happens? What will happen in the real fight? 2 arms coming at you. So he tag, 2 arms keep him coming. See, 2 arms still coming. He's sticky. Yeah? Sticky from here. Yeah? You can still escape. No, not this way. What's getting you? Just be careful. Good? What's getting you? Yeah. Because then you're thinking what? Remember I said to you, beginning, sticky what is everything. Yeah? So, if you just took my arms, yeah? What's carefully? Yeah. See? You might there? There. Sticky. And you see. What's carefully? Sticky. And you see. So I'll try and teach you guys all the concept of sticky. You don't get things only one concept of sticky. Yeah? So a boxer has got sticky. Means that when he connects with you, it's sticky. But he's jabbing. To jab, he's got to touch you. Or he's going to just jab in the air. But he really wants to do contact with you here. So when the arm comes towards your arm, you have got sticky with the forearm. Yes. But if I play with a boxer and he's got gloves on, and I've got gloves on, he will win. He's a boxer. I don't have to box with gloves on. I do it every hand. Yeah, so when you play with somebody, he's a boxer, be careful. You say boxing, he'll beat you. Because he's a professional boxer. You don't do boxing, you do Wing Chun. So I don't have to mix boxing with Wing Chun. All I know is Wing Chun. But boxing and Wing Chun does work, but all I know is Wing Chun. So I can't teach you boxing. Yeah? So that's the difference. Yeah? So everything we do, I try and do like Wing Chun only. Yes? Yeah? We're all doing part of Wing Chun techniques. Okay? So if I've got the hands, the elbows, the forearm, the outer forearm, top forearm, the pew, fingers, everything grabbing, I've got quite a lot. But boxing is still good. Grappling is still good. But what you can do against it, what you can do against you, it depends on the person, what he knows, and how well he knows his techniques or his style. Okay, what style's best style? No one knows. Every style is good. But it's what you can do against individual style or individual serve each other. So when we practice each other, we practice technical. So it's harder. If you don't know nothing, I don't know nothing, you can't hit me anyway. Yeah, I don't know nothing, so it's okay. But he practiced it, and now I know something now. He's got to also learn how to do something. So it's completely different again. Okay, so always bear in mind, when you play with someone, does he know anything or not? You can do, why you can hit him so easy? You don't know much. Why you have trouble hitting him? Because he knows something. That's what it is really. Yeah? But when we play each other, someone be good one day, not good the next day. Win one day, lose another day. Why? Because everyone is what? Improving. Yeah? So it's getting harder and harder. But you play with someone who don't know nothing at all, it's easy. Yeah? Example, one technique, if I swing at Henry, yeah, and he's in, yes, that's true. But then I swing at him and he panic, and I've gone straight forward here. Yeah? And he might think block on my way more than him and go right through him. Yeah? And he thought, oh, it works. You have to calculate everything. Okay? You must know why you got hit and why you can't get hit. Then you calculate everything and then you're okay. Yeah? So if I win, I've got to know why I won. If I lost, I've got to know why I lost. So I'm calculating all the time. This is the way I teach Wing Chun. Yeah? So, but most important, same time, when we play, we do techniques, we have good fun. Me? Okay, so we're having fun, but it's what is technical. Yeah, I don't know what he's going to do, and he don't know what I want to do. So it's not planned, it's not rehearsed. My wind's not rehearsed. Anything someone does something to me, I've got to go by feeling. That's it. But a drill is a drill. Just to concept or practicing, get the technique into your system. But when you spar later on, what can come at your body under pressure? Yeah, that's very hard. Okay? Okay, we carry on. Okay, good.